Accra. Accra is noisy and busy and loud. And sometimes all you want to do is escape all this noise and traffic. And today is even a holiday, so there are very few people roaming the streets of Accra. But let's change the scenery. Oh, here we go. This is a story about how a group of 3 content creators, Alaji Theozi, Kufin Peninsim, and myself, decided to escape for the wonders of a glorious waterfall, the Tene Waterfalls. But we had no idea what was waiting for us. This is probably a trip we should not have taken. But we did, so here we go. We packed up on essentials, met at the Circle station, and you know Ghanaians and their hospitality. This gentleman gladly showed us to the bus, taking us straight to Enyinam. We got on the bus, paid 22 cedis each for our tickets, and the journey begins.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been
We are trying to get a taxi from the Eminem station.
Oh, you see, who do you come by and say, in and out, say?
The driver just agreed to take us to Tene Waterfall. And for 60 Ghana cedis, so the trip was basically started from Circle to this place was going to be 30 cedis, and then this one is also going to be 60 Ghana cedis, right? And as we planned to seize every moment as it came, and that's exactly what we were doing till. We have to go back for it. Oh my goodness, in my head! So Diazim just dropped his hat. It's so foul. Yay! So we've arrived at the Tene Waterfall. Tene Waterfall, here we come!
I think it's going to be an adventure because we are going on our own.
Sorry guys, I came back from London.
I'm from Ghana. So as he was saying,
I'm coming to enjoy this place.
This is the main entrance to the Tene Waterfalls. We are going to start our hike from here, taking the path on the left. But there's this man-made waiting area. Everything is so natural. Everything is so green. I love chasing waterfalls. The hiking reminds me of life itself. The journey only requires you to put one foot in front of the other, again and again and again. And if you allow yourself opportunity to be present throughout the entirety of the trek, you will witness beauty every step of the way, not just at the summit. But you know, you will also experience a lot of obstacles, lots of fears, sweat. And that's safe. Right into the hike, we saw this creepy sign that said the path will lead to the devil's cave. Are you sure you want to continue this journey? We have God on our side. It's getting chilly, like the weather is actually changing. You guys said it's what, a 30-minute walk?
That's what the driver said.
God, it's pure bush, and that's the glory of waterfalls. Walking and hiking for several minutes or even hours just to listen to the sound of beauty. And the fall of the falls is just going to take all of this pain away. This is how fucking dense it is. And God, I look so cute. I'm drenched in sweat. The time is 2:02 and we've done about 15 minutes of hiking. Let's see, 15 minutes more to go. Hopefully. Okay, at this point I'm too scared to go at first. I cannot be first or last. People, have you forgotten I'm your baby girl?
At this point, you're all baby girl.
How do you feel right now?
Right now, I think you are close to the waterfall.
Exhausted.
I'm not gonna lie to you, the hike is not easy. Gosh, but I'm sure it's going to be worth the waterfall. The scouting team that just went ahead said that's the way to sit up in some caves, so we should go back. I'm going to try the second route to see where it leads. But there were no tour guides anywhere. There should be tour guides around.
I want to ask which of the roads leads to the Tenny. We are already in the waterfalls, and then we've walked now. We've seen a second map that says Tenny Waterfalls. Send me Marcus' number.
We are stuck in the crossroads, so it's probably going to be a party in the bush. Push, come and say cheers. Yes. Guys, this doesn't look like a way. It doesn't look like a path to a waterfall. Do you still think we should take the risk and keep going, or we should go back to Sister Bonsam's cave? So yeah, we are walking in silence. Because the men behind me are scared to their pants. And you know my instincts are great. So I'm leading the way. You guys, I led them through the right way. I can see Tenny Waterfall signboard. We're on the right path. Let's hurry. For a moment there, we really thought we were lost. I was legit scared, trust me. Oh my god, I'm so tired already. We've been walking for an hour. We thought it was going to be a 30-minute walk, and we'll barely have like 1 hour 30 minutes to spend at the fall. Okay, baby.
Okay, guys, so we've seen the third sign that says welcome to Tenny Waterfalls, and it's still giving us an arrow.
So
I thought we were just going there.
I'm so fucking excited. This is God's own engineering. Architecture at its finest. What the fuck? I thought that was just some stone that we'll pass through. Apparently that's supposed to be the fall.
Not really.
Talk of field travels. The fall is dry, like concrete. Anyway, we are still going to get there and see.
Yeah. No water falling.
What? Got disappointment on their faces. Kofi is the most disappointed one of all. I never thought it could happen to me, but we took an entire trip across the regions and the fall is dry. The falls would have been
so
so These are all the people that this waterfall has disappointed. All these people came to enjoy, and there's nothing to write home about. Except for these beautiful rocks, of course. I still love it. You know, nothing is a failure really, because we actually made it all the way here. We got lost several times, we got hungry, we got bitten by the wind, and we made it to what you would term as nothingness, but to me it's still some sort of glory. And as the spontaneous beings we are, we took what life threw at us and we explored the waterfall, or at least what was left of it.
Guys, just imagine this bare place with this hole, and you have water here, but seems the waterfalls. And then suddenly you, cause you.
Welcome to Sydney Sandford!
Happy yourself. Virtual swimming.
I swear to God.
Guys, even if the is so nice, like we are in some kind of cave.
4, 2, 3, 2. Guys, this very spot used to be water, deep water where you can swim and splash and have some fun, and all of that has gone dry. Oh, look at that. Endangered species. Despite all the downsides, we were having our fun. Kofi took his fire pictures and video. Theozy danced mostly. And then we discovered something really magical. That there was a small fraction of the fort that still had some water. This is the sad story of the last drops of water left at the Tini waterfalls. Do I know if there's ever going to be any water? I don't know. The trip was fantastic. I had great people beside me who made the trip so lovely, but the water. But let me show you what's really left of the waterfall. This is the only evidence we have of a waterfall. That is all that's left of the waterfall. So I'm still going to do what I came here to do, swim in it.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there?
How do you feel right now? Really?
Oh, really. This is my first trip of 2022, and I think this gives me a different vibe. I'm not disappointed. I'm really
because
happy.
the view is so beautiful.
If the water was here, you wouldn't be standing here.
I know, right?
This will be hitting woo, and then all these things will be filled with water.
This is optimism.
So you can't. Somewhere, sometime you come here again and you tell someone I was once here. You show the picture of the food. You were here.
I wouldn't have gone home if I didn't get wet. I'm ready to go home now. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Now, how do I get down without dying? For real. Now the day is over. We came all the way to Tini Waterfalls. Instead, we found a sand fall. And we did have a great time because we weren't going to let the lack of water bring down our energy or our vibe. So we had a great time without the water. And hopefully, I don't have to encounter this again. Going to a waterfalls and not meeting water. And this trip, I dare say, was not in vain. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever the hell you want to do.
I'm at 19%. Let's go.
Hi, we are done. We had fun without water. Okay.
Video. First video in 2022.
Oh no,
So we've left the venue. The time is 5:30, and we are going to get something to eat because we are hungry. And the water did some skills. So we didn't eat.
Unfortunately, my camera is down. It's dead. So we are airing.
We've gotten an akraka. You cookie. Let's do this.
Hi guys, so I'm taking over Kabuki's channel since she's afraid and she can't do this. I'm doing this for for her. Okay, what I'm supposed to do is to put it here for her to come. I think the video is nice. The one you are